Hello everyone, this is Amber. Today we are unboxing an electric toothbrush, Nandme NX7000. Although teeth are the hardest organs in our body, they are fragile. They can be regenerated if we don't protect them properly. If we don't take care of oral hygiene, it will bring a series of oral problems. That's why it's so important to clean and protect our teeth. Let's see how Nandme NX7000 can effectively clean and protect our teeth. Nandme NX7000 comes in two sets, 12 brush head set and 2 brush head set. Let's open the 2 brush head set first. It comes with the main body, 2 brush heads, a Type-C charger, and the manual. Then let's check the other one. It has 12 brush heads, and the other configuration is the same as the previous one. As we can see, the NX7000 has a minimalist look. It's available in 2 colors. One is a soft gray blue, and the other is a classic white. And its body design is full of technology and comfortable to hold. Compared to such products of other brands on the market, NX7000 is much better in terms of value for money. Firstly, it comes with 12 brush heads and can be used for up to 3 years. Brands like Oral-B and Philips only give 1 or 2 brush heads, which can only last about 3 months. And it costs about $20 to buy a new brush head, which is costly. Secondly, NX7000 has a long battery life, fully charged for 365 days, which is perfectly adequate for long-term business trips or travel. I've used the Philips electric toothbrushes before, and they need to be recharged every month. For a lazy person like me, it's not easy. The NX7000 is simple and easy to operate. It has 2 control buttons on the main body. The top one is on and off button, which also allows you to adjust the mode, like this. The bottom button is the intensity adjustment button with 3 levels of adjustable intensity. In addition, it's easy to replace the brush head like this. Pull down and replace a new one. Let's take a look at his cleaning ability. Its bristles are made of imported Dubon bristles with a rounded top that fits the shape of the teeth, so dirt on the surface and the crevices can be cleaned very well. It's equipped with the latest 4.0 magnetic elevation sonic motor with sonic vibration technology cleaning mode that wipes up to 41,000 times per minute, which is approximately 100 times more than 1 minute of manual brushing. It's cleaner and more efficient than manual brushing and can effectively prevent dental health problems. Nandme NX7000 designed with 15 adjustable modes according to different people's dental conditions and needs is divided into sensitive, clean, white, polish, and the gum care mode. Each cleaning mode has 3 different levels to match. In addition, it's very user-friendly. When the brushing time reaches 30 seconds, it will remind you to change the cleaning area. Then it will automatically stop when your brushing reaches 2 minutes. Secondly, it works with lower noise, and it won't bring noise pollution to you when you wake up early. In addition, don't worry about the safety during use at all because of its IPX7 waterproof. All in all, Nandme NX7000 is extremely cost-effective. It has a long battery life and also has multiple cleaning modes to meet different needs of different people. Right now, this toothbrush is just priced at $29.90 for the 2 brush headset and $39.90 for the 12 brush headset. It's only the price of a McDonald's meal, but can effectively clean your teeth for several years. It's also one of the best gifts for family or friends. So, if you want to buy a gift for a family or friends but don't know what to get, the NX7000 is perfect for you. Of course, there is more to protecting our teeth than just cleaning them. Dental care is very important. We also need to be careful about how we use our teeth. We need to reduce some behaviors like chewing hard nuts and brushing too hard. After all, our teeth are not renewable. We must take care of them. That's it for today's unboxing. We will bring unboxing review video of Nandme NX7000 and also share a lot of knowledge related to dental cleaning and oral health. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!